How to fertilize pomegranate trees. Even if you don't like to eat pomegranates or drink pomegranate juice, you may still want a pomegranate tree in your yard. They have beautiful flowers and make wonderful additions to most landscapes. The trees are naturally bushy but can be pruned to be more like trees. The young trees benefit from being fertilized. They like lots of nitrogen, so fertilizer and mulch rich in nitrogen are needed for proper fruit production. Things you'll need: 8-to-8-8 fertilizer, ammonium sulfate fertilizer, compost. Plant the pomegranate tree in a sunny, warm area of the yard. It will grow bushy as it tends to sucker from the crown of the root ball. To get it to grow like a tree, remove the suckers and prune the tree. Fertilize the young trees with 2 pounds of 8-to-8-8 fertilizer in March and November, or apply 2 to 4 ounces of ammonium sulfate in the first 2 springs. Mulch with rotted manure and other compost to fill the soil with nitrogen as needed for the tree. Apply 4 pounds of 8-to-8-8 fertilizer to mature trees in March and November. Tips: warnings. After a tree is 15 years old, the fruit production will slow down or stop, and fertilizer will no longer be needed.